Why is maintenance important? Let's just review these few tips. Maintenance protects your investment. It's like going to the dentist. We don't always want to go to the dentist, but it's really important that we look after our teeth. Well, it's just as important to look after your vehicle so it lasts a long time. It promotes better fuel efficiency. I always say good to the last drop. You want to make sure that your fuel consumption is as efficient as possible. It promotes a cleaner environment. So important in our world today that we look after our earth. So it looks after our children, our children's children, and so on. It ensures warranty validation. It does say in the owner's manual, if you do not complete regular maintenance on your vehicle and something is to go wrong with your vehicle, Toyota may not cover it under warranty for you. So maintenance is key. And it optimizes safety, reliability, and performance. So let's take a look quickly at the 4 costs of ownership. Your vehicle cost, this is actually based on a Corolla and over like a 60-month term. So your vehicle cost is about $4,800 a year for your payment, or 49% of the total that you will spend in any given year. Insurance costs on average are about $2,000 or 20% of the total. Fuel costs, about $2,700 or 27% of the total, and we base this on about 20,000 kilometers of driving a year. And preventative maintenance is $350 or 4% of the total. So your total annual cost is just under $10,000 to drive your vehicle today. And when you take a look at that, you can't drive a vehicle if you're not paying for it because the bank will repossess it. You can't drive without insurance because it's a requirement of driving today. And you can't drive without fuel because without, as I say to my son, go-go juice, we're not going anywhere. And maintenance is $350 or the least of all of the costs on your vehicle. And yet it's the only one that actually enhances the life of your vehicle. So when you take a look at the cost of maintenance, it's really not that much.